Planning a summer camping trip but dreading that sticky, unbearable heat? What if you could turn your sweltering tent into a cool oasis and stay refreshed on the trail all day long? Today, we're counting down the top 5 summer camping fans that are absolute game changers. Every single one of these gadgets is linked in the description below. Let's beat the heat!
Kicking off our list at number 5 is the Odoland Portable LED Camping Lantern with Fan. This is your classic 2-in-1 workhorse. It's not just a fan, it's also an ultra-bright 18 LED lantern. It's perfect for lighting up your tent for a late-night card game while keeping that stuffy air moving. Simple, effective, and a must-have for any basic camping setup.
Coming in at number 4, we have the Hand Fan Portable Handheld Fan. Don't let its size fool you. This little guy is your perfect companion for day hikes or sitting by the campfire. But it has a secret weapon. It's also a 5200 milliamp hour power bank. That's right, it doesn't just cool you down, it keeps your phone juiced up in the wild. Foldable, powerful, and incredibly versatile.
At number 3 is the GRANDFAST Rechargeable Camping Fan. This is how you seriously upgrade your tent experience. What makes this one special? First, the airflow is incredibly powerful. Second, that strong clip lets you mount it almost anywhere. And third, it has a built-in light and a timer, so you can fall asleep to a cool breeze without draining the battery all night. This is a true set-it-and-forget-it cooling solution.
Our runner-up at number 2 is for the active campers. Meet the Sotipevs Portable Waist Clip Fan. Tired of holding a fan? Just clip this on your belt or hang it around your neck for instant, hands-free cooling. And the best part? It packs a massive 12,000 milliamp hour battery for up to 30 hours of runtime. This thing is a beast. Perfect for staying cool while hiking, fishing, or setting up camp.
And finally, at number 1, this is not just a fan. It's a personal cooling system, the TORRAS COOLiFY Zone 3. This is next-level technology. It blasts hurricane-force winds at 26 feet per second for 360-degree full-body cooling. But here's the mind-blowing part. It has a revolutionary heat-absorbing ring that can actually drop your skin temperature in seconds. It's ultralight, durable, and designed for extreme heat. If you work outdoors or refuse to let the heat ruin your adventure, this is the ultimate investment.
So there you have it, 5 incredible ways to conquer the summer heat on your next camping adventure. Whether you need a simple tent light or a high-tech personal cooler, we've got you covered. Find the perfect one for your needs by checking out the links in the description below. Which one was your favorite? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more top 5 gadget reviews. Stay cool out there.